Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a home page on Shazam. You will click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Shazam and you will click here in this page. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching and your